Hello, welcome Croso. Here we are at Maes, Gwyn, and this is our community hub. We got it up and running about 2 years ago, and yeah, we serve the neighbourhood basically. We have people coming in for coffee mornings, and they come for lunches, and they get together. It's a chance for them to share whatever's happened with them in the week, if they've got a problem, or just to see another face and just to sit down and have a nice time. We do all sorts of bits and bobs as well. We do exercises in the chairs, we do crafts. I try and keep their minds excited, you know, maybe jigsaws or weaving or music now. We're all learning guitars and pianos and all sorts of things. So welcome, please come in and have a look.
One of the activities we run here is we do our own digital club. We've got our own pads, iPads, tablets, and I actually supply our own internet. And what I'm going to be doing is going through teaching the older side of the community how to not be frightened of using digital technology, and it could actually benefit them if they wanted to use it, you know, for online shopping, other things like if they want to buy clothes, or, you know, book a holiday, book a hotel, you know, all them kind of things. And what I also will be doing is showing them how to clean their phones up if they've overfilled them with programs and stuff.
It's wonderful the amount of different projects that the tenants have got going. Following Mr Silcock's digital training, we had scams and fraud prevention session here as well, which was really successful, as sadly it is something that happens so often. But with that, we've had food hygiene courses because they have a lunch club going on here. We've also had defibrillator training, first aid training. We've also had a cooking class as well. So yeah, we're thrilled for them.
I was asked to put together some materials to make bird boxes in the hub, so people could build their own bird boxes. And here's one I completed earlier. I used to run the veterans shed in Bethesda, so that's the background for these. So it's all scrap wood. It's offcuts that have been left lying around, or offcuts from fences and stuff. So I put together a basic kit, and then the final stage is just to nail them all together to make a complete bird box, and then hopefully they will then go up around Maes, Gwyn.
I couldn't believe it. We've been nominated for not one award but two. So the first one's the Pass Award, which we've been nominated as finalists for a Good Neighbour, because I've been popping around looking after everybody and giving them cups of tea and panad to keep them happy. And then I found out that we're also nominated now finalists for the BBC Wales Make a Difference Award. And I was absolutely thrilled to bits. So I didn't do it for any recognition. If I can make a little difference in someone's life, then that's all the happiness that I want. Somebody said, looking forward, what do you want? Well, we'd love to grow our own food. We'd love to be self-sufficient. There's a fantastic space up there that we've already cleared on a litter pick earlier this year, and I would absolutely love if we could get a polytunnel and some growing lights and, you know, maybe solar panels, so that we're all energy efficient and we grow everything ourselves. We started in the hub this year growing from seed cucumbers, tomatoes, all the edibles, and that's my plan for the future.